Assalamualaikum. Hi girls. So, macam mana? Sihat ke dekat rumah? Cikgu doakan supaya semuanya sihat kat rumah. Okay? Now, as I promised, so today kita akan sambung our new subtopics. It's a inverse matrix. Okay, so this is an inverse matrix. So, how to do inverse matrix? If matrix A, B, C, D, then A inverse is 1 over determinant D, negative B, negative C, and A. So, what is a determinant? Determinant is AD minus BC. Okay, daripada mana nak dapatkan the AD minus BC? It's from your matrix A. AD means that A times D minus B times C. Okay, now look at here, this part. Okay, now matrix A, first it's AD. Then bila dia jadi inverse, it would be DA. Means that this part, you need to change position. Okay, now look at this part, C and B. Bila inverse, dia akan jadi negative C, negative B. Okay, the places are remain the same, but you only change the signs from positive to negative. Okay, so I wrote down here. This part, you need to change position. And this part, you need to change the sign. Okay, I know you cannot blur. Kita akan buat example. Okay, kita akan try example. So, nanti awak akan dapat tengok lebih jelas. Okay, now look at the example. Find the inverse matrix of A, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, they ask us to find the inverse of matrix A, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, again, what is the formula to find inverse? Sorry. Okay, the formula is 1 over determinant. Okay, this is the formula to find inverse. 1 over determinant D, negative B, negative C, and A. Okay, now, so find A inverse. 1 over determinant. So, determinant, the formula is AD minus BC. Okay, so it's 1 over AD minus BC. So, AD. So, AD is 1 times 3. So, minus BC. 1 times 2. Okay, and then this part, change the position. So, 1, 3, it will be 3, 1. Okay, this part, you need to change the signs. From positive 2, it become negative 2. And positive 1 will be negative 1. Okay, and then we solve. 1. So, 1 times 3 minus 1 times 2. Okay, so it's 3 minus 2 lah. Okay, this part you rewrite again. So, you solvekan this part. So, 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so you rewrite again. Then, we solve it. So, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. And 1 times 1 is 1. So, this is the inverse matrix of A. Okay? Dah boleh? Now, kita try buat number 1. Find the inverse matrix. Okay? Find the inverse matrix for each of the following matrices. Okay. The matrix given is A, 3, 7, negative 1, negative 3. Okay, now they ask us to find the inverse. So, what is the formula to find inverse? It must be 1 over determinant. So, what is the formula of determinant? Just now, it's AD minus BC. Okay, it's AD. So, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Okay, then this part, you need to change position. So, from 3, negative 3, it will be negative 3, 3. Okay, and this part, you need to change sign. So, negative 1, it would be positive 1. 7, it will be negative 7. Okay, then we solve 1 over. So, negative 9 minus negative 7. If you are not sure, please press your calculator. Okay, so it will be negative 2. So, negative 3, negative 7, 1 and 3. So, we just solve it. 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2 times negative 3, it would be 3 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 times negative 7, it would be 7 over 2. Negative 1 times 1, it would be negative 1 over 2. And negative 1 over 2 times 3, dia akan jadi negative 3 over 2. So, this is the inverse matrix of A. Okay, dah boleh nampak? Okay, kita try buat the second one. Okay, given that matrix B is 3, 2, 4, 2. So, now find the inverse matrix of B. Again, okay, inverse matrix of B. The formula is 1 over determinant. So, what is determinant? Is AD minus BC. It's actually you just cross multiply. Okay, AD minus BC tu sebenarnya cross multiply je. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. Now, 3, 2 here. Dia akan change position. It will be 2, 3. Okay, 4, 2 here. You need to change the sign. Okay, so from positive 4, it will become negative 4. From positive 2, it will become negative 2. Okay, and then we solve it. 1 over 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So, 2, negative 2, negative 4, and 3. Okay, so the last part, you just solve it. Negative 1 over 2 times 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2, it will be 1. Here, negative 1 times negative 4, it's 2. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3 over 2. Okay, so this is how you find the inverse matrix. It is easy, right? You just need to remember the formula again. So, what is the formula to find inverse? It must be 1 over determinant. This part, you need to change the sign. Okay. 1 over determinant. This part, change sign. And this part, this part is change position. And this part, you change the sign. So, to find determinant, the formula is AD minus PC. Okay, you need to hafal the formula. Okay, girls. So, sampai sini je lesson hari ini. So, nanti kita akan sambung the next lesson. So, as usual, you need to do the exercise. Okay, 3, 4, 5 and... ada sampai 8 lah. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay safe and stay at home. Okay, girls. Bye.